First of all, what is Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is a very extensive platform that offers a lot of things under one platform, really good training about how to become a successful blogger or niche marketer, hosting, site builder tools, keyword research tools and more, a support community where you can get coaching, help and networking, all in one spot. They offer 2 pricing tiers, free and premium. Anyone can join as a free member, there is no cost. As a free member, you can still complete a lot of the training. Some modules are locked and available only to premium members. How can you make money with Wealthy Affiliate? There are essentially 2 ways to do that. I show them in detail in my review of Wealthy Affiliate. Number 1, to follow the training and to build successful niche websites where you get free traffic and make affiliate sales, ad revenue, CPA sales, etc. There are thousands of members inside Wealthy Affiliate who have built successful profitable websites following that training. Number 2, you can also promote Wealthy Affiliate as an affiliate and make money when someone you refer to Wealthy Affiliate upgrades their membership from free to premium. Haxi is a great keyword research tool to find keywords for ranking your posts in Google. Wealthy Affiliate has weekly live streams to help further your education on various topics. Wealthy Affiliate Community allows you to submit your website posts for free likes or critique. Wealthy Affiliate support team is quick to reply and quite helpful when sites go down. Wealthy Affiliate Community allows you to submit your website posts for comment also, but do not forget to give back to community. Either on your own site or through Wealthy Affiliate dashboard you can blog until your heart is content. Not only does Wealthy Affiliate offer tons of value, you are connected to thousands of like-minded individuals. Help is quick with a forum post or technical support ticket. Live chat allows you to talk to followers on Wealthy Affiliate about anything desired. Making money is the name of the game and affiliate marketing is the vessel to get you there. You can host 25 domains of your own within the premium membership and 25 sitearubix.com domains, free websites, for a total of 50. So if you had more than 25 of your own domains, that would be the maximum you can host here within your premium membership. All your websites are hosted in one place for easy access. Free courses to premium members to teach you the ins and outs of making money on the Wealthy Affiliate platform.